Okay. Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Sudhakar Codeverse YouTube channel. As I told earlier, the channel focuses on coding related part. As we had started our first language, Python. Okay, and we had learned what is printf function in our first video. What is printf function? To all know about that, you can visit my first video and see about the printf function. Today we are going to the next topic, that is input function. Okay, what is input function? Input function allows user to interact with your program by typing data from the keyboard. Means whatever the user want to as an input, you can use input function and input the values. Okay, how it works, let us see now. Let us make a one file. Keep it as user in. As prerequisite I told, we should not keep a function name as a file name. Okay, userin.py. Today's topic is about what? Input. This is the main syntax of the input function. Okay. As I told, it allows user to interact with your program. Whenever user interacts, it pauses the program and waits for the user input to type something and store the typed value. What are the types of values I will be saying? Types are nothing but int, float, string. What is int means? It's a number. Float means it is a decimal. It's a floating point number like 2.5, 3.5. As int I told 10, 20, 30. String is nothing but your name, like Rahul is a string. Okay. Now let us run our first example. As I will take a name as an input. Name equal to input. In this input, in a string format, it will be taking the input. Enter your name. When I told enter your name, it will take from the user as an input, and let me print that enter name in a hello format. Print hello plus whatever the input variable I have stored. Let me give that name plus this much is enough, I think so. Okay, this is useful. As I told, variable name, nothing. What does the variable do? So it stores a data. Now what is data? Input is a function that is a data. Okay, now let me run this program. As I told, to run the program we have to type the Python and a file name. What is a file name? User in.py. See here, you can see now. Enter your name, it is asking. I will say my name is Rahul. See, as I told, print function hello plus name. You can see now hello Rahul is being printed out here. Okay, this is one example as I told. Okay, now as I told, types like int, float, other types. Now let us learn about the types. Let us do some integer. Let us take an age. Age equal to input. Enter your age. Will ask from the user. In the print function, let us us call that variable. When the user input is age, it will be printed now. Let us run. Integer name, as I told, I will give Rahul. And now it is asking age, I will give 23. See, here hello plus name has been printed. Here the age of the Rahul has been printed. Okay. This is all about the input as of now. Okay, if you want to handle double inputs, that also can be done by using the split method. As of now, we have not learned about what is split. This all the split method. This all comes in the list when we will be studying about these data types, data structures. That time we will be understanding about the list. Okay, as of now, you want to know about multiple data types. Means let us do one example and see multiple data of them. Let us take two numbers that are separated by a space. So we will take two numbers, two variables. Let us take input and we will write enter two numbers separated. Two numbers separated. As it was split method, it will convert into the list format. Okay, two numbers separated as I told, and print first number. Let us print first number here, first number, and that variable x. This okay, and print second number and that variable. Okay, now let me comment up above the code, because next we want to run this code. So it is two numbers it is asking separated. The number splitting is wrong, you correct it. Okay, enter two numbers. I will say 2 and 3. See, as it says we separated 2 and 3 again. First number is 2, second number is 3. Okay, if you want to check which type it is, means just type x. If I say means it is now in the string format, I think so. 2, 3. See, here you will know the number which I have stored is in which type. 2, 3. Okay, now it is in string format. I want in an integer format, means nothing. Just copy this out, click int is a type, and do things. Just this much only. 2, 3. Okay. Integer argument must be a string. A byte like object is a real number, not a list. Okay. If I give here the bracket, it works, I think so. No. 2, 3. No. Invalidated for int with base 10, 2, 3. Okay, with this example it is not working. Let me show for you with another example why it was not working and what was the thing. See now, yes, it's a variable int input, and I will give enter the number and print that yes. Okay, and let me comment out this one. Okay, Control S, Control backtick. asking me a number. I will give 3. See, now this is in which type? Let us see. Type of yes. Just you want to know which type means just we have to use a type keyword where it is useful. Python 4. See, now this is in int format. As the above thing also can be separated, but as we are giving a split value, so the split value is in as in a list, it will convert automatically into the string. So this was not happening. Okay, now by taking an input format, let us calculate two numbers, simple calculators. Let us do two numbers. As I told you, yes, use variable. I will take another int. I will take input, enter the number. Here first number, here second number, first number and second number, and we will add the variable. That's it. And the user gives 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is 7, and that's the type is of int. Okay, this is a small calculation program. Okay, like this only taking the input and all, we will ask the user about the what is his age and print it is valid age or no. From the user we will take input as a age. Input, enter the age. Okay, here we will be going to the another conditional loops. If age is digit again is an inbuilt function in Python which says in a string format if there are numbers means it will take that one. If age is digit, print age is valid. Yes, that's not a valid number. Okay. Your age is valid, and in else part I will say print not valid. Okay, this much is clear, I think so, for as of now, for all of you. Okay, now let me take as an input and see this program how it works. Enter age 34. Your age is valid as the function is digit. This converts a number. Okay, how it converts I will be saying on as of now. You remember, if in a string if there are any numbers, it will count those numbers as a digit format and it will give as an output. Okay, now let me run. If age I have given as year, what it would happen? Not valid, because here I have given a string. Now if I give a number 45, here your age is valid. So here's a small typo is having happened. Let me run. If I give 32, your age is valid. As I give a number, it is now valid. Okay, like this only by seeing the video and doing experiment only we will get an hands-on experience. Okay, now programs using this hello, print and input functions. Now let us ask from the user, favorite color. What is your favorite color? One example, and as of now what is your favorite color is an assignment. You can do it by your own. Now let us do multiplication. As we have done addition in the same manner, multiplication also goes, but little bit different we will be doing now. We will be giving first number and second number and we will be multiplying it. That's it. The product of 5 and 6. Okay, one problem is interesting. Let us do that. In this what we are writing a program that picks username and age and calculate what year they will turn by 100. From date time we'll import date time. From date time we'll import date time. As date time has a package, it consists of all the date times inbuilt functions. So we are importing the date time model, I can say, and let us take now name and age input values. As name equal to input, you enter your name, we ask the user, and next age must be integer, so we will write integer, enter your age. Okay, now enter your age. It will be not suitable. How old are you? You will write. This fits the problem. Nice. Okay, now how to calculate? Next, further, whenever we are writing any program, we have to go step by step. Now first the user will input. Okay, first of all let me comment all the section. As I told, first the user will input the name, next the age, and next we will take a current year variable and date and time of that year we will calculate. Current year. Okay, in that date time now of date time now dot year we will be taking, and another time variable year term we will take a variable year term and equal to current year plus 100 minus age. Okay, this prints nice, and we'll print function, and in this hi, after hi we'll print the variable of the name, and we will return name. You will turn 100 years old in the year old. You will turn 100 years old in the year program is nothing. The user enters his name first and his age. When he enters his age, what I would like to say is in which year his age will be 100, the program will calculate. This will solve that problem. What year they will turn 100. Let me write a statement. What year the user will turn to 100 age. Okay, now let me run. Enter your name. I will say Rahul. Enter. How old your age is? Let me write 25. Okay, there is a small error. What is that? Let me see. The time is not defined. Did you forget? Okay, sorry. As I was writing, I had been commented out that. Okay. Now let me run one more time. Again, Rahul. HUL Rahul. Enter age 25. See. Okay, there is a small typo error. YOU. While typing, there will be a small error. Okay. Rahul, if I give 25. Rahul, you will turn 100 year in the year 2099. His age will be 100 years. You will turn 100 in the year and we will die. Okay, next we will give other name like Sudha and we will give her name 20. Hi Sudha, you will turn 100 in the year 2102. So see, by taking the input function and printing what all by using some logics and importing the models like date and time, what all we can do. Okay, as of now this was all about the input function. Okay, by seeing these videos, a lot of things have been shared about you about the input functions. Okay, further we will be going on next to what are data types and detail about the variables and what all data types have been included, and we will be seeing. Hope I would like that all the videos what I am doing will be liked by the user.